Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm up in the kitchen dropping another impromptu recipe on y'all. This time, I'm kind of in the spirit for an alcoholic beverage. The drink that we're going to make goes out to all those U.S. presidents who managed to get themselves in a wee bit of trouble, enough so that they managed to have charges brought upon them. And this process is what we call the impeachment, which is the name of this drink. So, let's get into this. But before we get into this, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever I put out videos such as this one. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, baby. And if you wouldn't mind sharing this, it'll really help me and the channel out immensely. So now that we got all the politics out the way, let's get into this drink. Okay. The impeachment. Basically, you're gonna take any spirit. You can use your tequila or you can use vodka. Basically you want a spirit that's either kind of sweet or that has no flavor at all. So vodka, I wouldn't go with a grain alcohol because it's generally too strong. It's going to overpower all the ingredients. So you want to stick to something like a tequila, which just have the slight little agave flavor to it, or a vodka, which is kind of a neutral flavor. You need some basically one of these cups of peaches. One of these cups is fine. You want to muddle some or crush them, however you need to do that. If you don't have a muddler, you go ahead and crush them down to just release the peachiness of it. And you want to save some, for some garnish. You want to take candy cane, or you can use peppermint leaves. If you don't have candy cane, you have mint leaves. You can use mint leaves. You want to muddle the mint leaf a little bit just to release the oils for the flavor. Or if you don't have any mint leaves, a lot of people usually have some peppermints or some candy canes laying around. I prefer candy cane because then you just take half the candy cane, break it in half, and then you're using the top half as your garnish at the end, and then you're just crushing up the bottom half there. A little bit of lemon juice, and then, like I said, your spirit and some ice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all this together. Let me fill this up with some ice here. About a cup's worth of ice should do the trick. Cup's worth of ice, and then I have my little measure here. You want to fill that up with 2 ounces of whatever spirit in, like Gordon Ramsay in, right? You're gonna take 1 ounce of lemon juice. That's about half of this because it's a 2-ounce situation here. 1 ounce of lemon juice, bong, like so. You want to take your crushed peaches, like so. Put them in the thing here. And then you want to take your crushed candy canes or crushed peppermints, or however you want to do it. Or like I said before, if you don't have any peppermints, you just put some in there. I crushed it in the plastic bag. Just put some in there. You don't need much, just a little bit. All right, and then shake that bad boy up. Also, I forgot one thing. You also need the syrup. You also want the syrup from your peach to go in here too. So when you get these cups, it comes with the diced peaches and the peach syrup. You throw that in there, it just adds a little bit more sweet to it. Shake it up. Strain it off. Drop a couple little pieces. Drop a couple little pieces of your broken candy cane if you have it down at the bottom. Throw that down there. couple peaches. You throw that in there too. And there you have it. Your impeachment. See how you got your drink there? You got your little peach pieces down there, your pieces of candy cane and your candy cane garnish, and this bad boy is very tasty. And enough of these will get you jacked up. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy a little taste. This bad boy is delicious. So if you like this drink, like I said, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, share this video so people can see it, and if I really would appreciate it if you share it, because I'm at a turning point on my channel where I'm starting to reach that 1,000 mark. So if you can help me out by subscribing, maybe letting your friends know so they can subscribe, so I can make it to that 1,000 mark finally. And really getting to the point where this channel is I'm starting to take this channel very serious. I really enjoy doing this, putting out this video and this content for you guys. I really enjoy it. So if you wouldn't mind, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share it to people so they can know about it. More videos like this to follow. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Comment down there. I always love to hear what everyone has to say. I love talking to you guys. I respond to everyone within a couple days. I try to get to you within a day the most, but sometimes, you know, life gets in the way. I have little kids, so anyone who has kids know, but I generally get to you within a couple days, and I respond to everyone. I have another drink next after this called the Double Impeachment, so make sure you check back for that video. And like I said before, check some of my other videos. Comment down below. This is the impeachment, and I'm out this piece. Bon appetito. Another sip. That's good.